Sometimes I have to remind myself that I'm by myself. I was born myself and I'ma fly myself. What is death? Soul is left, body back to the earth, made from the dirt. They love when you less and hate what you worth. So I hate that it hurts. I'm a God raised from the birth. Young nigga misbehaving at church. My body a temple is simple. Timelines ripple with every decision, and when I sleep, I just be switching dimensions. I'm quick with the vision, slick with the rhythm. I stick 'em with venom if they try to come get me. Regardless, I'm 150, not even 100. My whip pushing 160. The time is like 220. Ain't spit you could do with me. The kid is just too jiggy. I spit like a double barrel. Got on like no Ricky. You don't even know risky, and I don't need no whiskey. And now left me so dizzy. The smoke had my head cloudy. I don't need no friends around me. Remember they did doubt me. Say look what I did. Proudly remember them dudes clowning. They look back at you frowning. My peace got me too happy. Remember was too nappy. Remember a young mommy. Wish I remembered Pappy. Cold like December happened. Cold. I'm cosmically gifted, talking it different, seeing it higher, thinking it louder, playing it smarter, creating it harder. I manifest greater, smacking a hater with facts from the maker, impact like a crater. In fact, I'ma take it. Mind bending, divine vision, life giving, time slitting, sublime living. I'm a truth speaker with new sneakers, my view deeper, got new peepers. I lost my roof like a two-seater. Stars sparkle in the distance, got me wishing for a difference. Reminiscing about the times I didn't listen. Wish I did it, but I didn't. Would I do it again? Got no regrets. Raise the bar over your head like a shoulder press. Go confess, go repent, don't resent. Holy spit, stop the skits, hop and skip, not to stick, copy this. I'm not the ego, I am the opposite. You're talking to consciousness.